Picture this. You're the captain of a ship, sailing through calm waters when suddenly your crew starts shouting about exciting new islands on the horizon. Island after island appears, each promising untold treasures and opportunities. Your natural instinct is to explore them all, but here's the deadly trap. While you're busy chasing every shiny new destination, you're heading straight toward a massive iceberg that could sink your entire ship. This is exactly what's happening to businesses today with innovation overload. We're living in an era where new technologies, strategies, and opportunities emerge faster than ever before. Every week brings another must-have tool, another revolutionary approach, another game-changing strategy. And just like that captain, many business owners find themselves so distracted by these exciting possibilities that they lose sight of the fundamental dangers lurking beneath the surface. The statistics are sobering. Research shows that companies pursuing too many innovations simultaneously are 60% more likely to experience project failures and resource depletion. Even more alarming, 75% of businesses that attempt to implement more than 3 major innovations within a single year report significant operational disruptions that take months to recover from. But here's what makes this challenge so insidious. Innovation overload doesn't announce itself with sirens and warning lights. It creeps in gradually, disguised as ambition and forward thinking. One day you're implementing a new customer relationship management system. The next week you're launching a social media campaign. And before you know it, you're also restructuring your entire supply chain while training employees on artificial intelligence tools. Think about Netflix for a moment. When they transitioned from DVD rentals to streaming, they didn't try to simultaneously launch original content, expand internationally, and revolutionize their recommendation algorithm all at once. They focused on perfecting streaming first, then gradually layered in additional innovations once their core transformation was solid. This methodical approach allowed them to avoid the innovation iceberg that has claimed countless other entertainment companies. The danger signs of innovation overload are everywhere once you know what to look for. Your team starts missing deadlines, not because they're lazy, but because they're juggling too many new initiatives. Employee morale drops as people feel overwhelmed by constant change. Customer service suffers because your staff is spending more time learning new systems than serving clients. Cash flow becomes unpredictable as resources get spread thin across multiple projects. Consider the restaurant industry, where innovation overload is particularly visible. We've seen establishments try to implement online ordering, ghost kitchen concepts, subscription meal services, and augmented reality menus all within the same quarter. The result? Many of these restaurants found their core dining experience deteriorated so significantly that they lost their loyal customer base while failing to successfully execute any of their new innovations. The technology sector provides another compelling example. Remember when every software company tried to add artificial intelligence, blockchain integration, and mobile applications to their products simultaneously? Most of these companies discovered that their rushed implementations created more problems than solutions, leading to customer frustration and significant technical debt. So how do we navigate these treacherous waters without abandoning innovation entirely? The answer lies in strategic innovation management, and we're about to share the exact framework that successful businesses use to stay ahead of the curve without drowning in complexity. Before we go deeper into these game-changing strategies, we need you to do something crucial for us. If this content is helping you recognize the innovation icebergs in your own business, please hit that like button right now. It helps us reach more business owners who desperately need this information. And if you want to see more content that helps you build a business that runs itself instead of running you into the ground, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. The first principle of iceberg avoidance is what we call the innovation priority matrix. Instead of saying yes to every exciting opportunity, successful businesses evaluate each potential innovation against 3 critical criteria: alignment with core business objectives, available resources, and implementation timeline. If an innovation doesn't score high on all 3 criteria, it gets placed in a future consideration queue rather than immediate implementation. Take Amazon's approach to innovation. While they're known for constant innovation, they follow a strict internal process where each new initiative must demonstrate clear value to their core mission of customer obsession. They don't pursue innovations simply because they're trendy or because competitors are doing them. Every innovation must strengthen their fundamental business model. The second strategy involves creating innovation buffers. Just as ships carry emergency supplies, your business needs resource buffers specifically designated for innovation projects. This means never committing more than 25% of your available resources to new initiatives simultaneously. The remaining 75% stays focused on optimizing and maintaining your core operations. Timing is equally crucial in avoiding innovation overload. The most successful companies follow what we call the sequential innovation approach. They implement one major innovation at a time, allowing each initiative to reach stability before introducing the next. This might seem slower than your competitors, but it's actually faster in the long run because you avoid the costly mistakes and do-overs that come from rushed implementations. Google exemplifies this approach beautifully. While they're constantly innovating, they carefully sequence their releases and give each product time to mature. They didn't launch Google Docs, Google Drive, and Google Workspace simultaneously. Each innovation built upon the previous one's success, creating a stronger overall ecosystem. The third critical strategy is establishing innovation kill criteria upfront. Before starting any new project, define exactly what failure looks like and commit to stopping initiatives that aren't meeting predetermined benchmarks. This prevents the sunk cost fallacy from keeping you committed to innovations that are draining resources without delivering results. Employee involvement is another crucial factor that many businesses overlook. Innovation overload often happens because leadership makes decisions in isolation. Create regular feedback loops where your team can honestly report on their bandwidth and the impact of new initiatives on their daily work. Some of the best insights about innovation timing come from the people actually implementing these changes. Finally, remember that saying no to innovation opportunities isn't failure, it's strategic discipline. Every successful business has a graveyard of ideas they chose not to pursue. The key is making these decisions based on data and strategic alignment rather than fear or impulse. The businesses that successfully avoid innovation icebergs share one common trait. They've mastered the art of operational excellence before pursuing ambitious innovations. They've eliminated friction points in their existing processes, creating a solid foundation that can support strategic growth. If you want to learn how to systematically identify and eliminate these friction points in your own business, we're offering a free book that walks you through this exact process. Click the link in the description to get your copy delivered straight to your inbox. This book will show you how to optimize your operations so you have the stability and resources needed for strategic innovation. But if you're ready to take the next step and build a business that truly runs itself, our comprehensive course provides the complete roadmap. You'll learn step-by-step how to set up systems and processes that generate consistent results while freeing up your time for strategic thinking. Click the next video or the link in the description to discover how you can transform your business from a demanding taskmaster into a well-oiled machine that serves your life goals. Don't let another year pass by wondering why your business isn't growing the way you want it to. Take action today. Click the link below to get your free guide on achieving operational excellence and take the first step toward building the business you've always envisioned. If this helped, make sure to check out the next video where we go even deeper into how to make your business work for you. The link is on the screen now, and we'll see you in the next video.